टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड की आज की इस क्लास में कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज को सोल्व करके देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड? ऑप्शन ए है एबिलिटी टू मेमोराइज फैक्ट्स। ऑप्शन बी है एबिलिटी टू कंट्रोल स्टूडेंट्स स्ट्रिक्टली। ऑप्शन सी नेचुरल एंड acquired कैपेसिटी टू टीच इफेक्टिवली। ऑप्शन डी है एबिलिटी टू कंप्लीट सिलेबस क्विकली। बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब करता है ऑप्शन सी, नेचुरल एंड acquired कैपेसिटी टू टीच इफेक्टिवली। दिस इज द बेस्ट टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड. Teaching aptitude refers to the combination of interest, attitude, communication skill, subject की understanding and ability to facilitate learning effectively, जिससे learning को effectively facilitate किया जा सके. Question number 2 है, a teacher who encourages students to ask questions is promoting. जो टीचर स्टूडेंट से क्वेश्चंस आस्क करने के लिए कहता है वो किस चीज को प्रमोट करता है? रोट लर्निंग को, ऑप्शन बी पेसिव लर्निंग को, सी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को और डी है मैकेनिकल लर्निंग को. इसका राइट आंसर होगा क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को. क्वेश्चनिंग डेवलप्स एनालिटिकल एबिलिटी, क्यूरियोसिटी एंड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग अमंग लर्नर्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, विच टीचिंग मेथड इज मोस्ट लर्नर सेंटर्ड? इनमें से कौन सा टीचिंग मेथड है जो कि लर्नर सेंटर बेस्ड है? ऑप्शन ए लेक्चर मेथड, बी है डिक्टेशन मेथड, सी डिस्कशन मेथड एंड डी ड्रिल मेथड. ऑप्शन सी इज राइट. डिस्कशन मेथड is most learner centered method. Discussion method promotes active participation and learner involvement. क्वेश्चन 4 है, द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ टीचिंग इज. टीचिंग का प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? ऑप्शन ए कंप्लीटिंग द सिलेबस, ऑप्शन बी मेंटेनिंग डिसिप्लिन, ऑप्शन सी फैसिलिटेटिंग मीनिंगफुल लर्निंग और ऑप्शन डी है कंडक्टिंग एग्जामिनेशंस. प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव है होता है टीचिंग का फैसिलिटेटिंग मीनिंगफुल लर्निंग. इफेक्टिव टीचिंग फोकसेस on the helping learners understand, apply and construct knowledge. Question 5 है, which of the following is a characteristics of effective teaching? Effective teaching की characteristics क्या है? ऑप्शन ए वन वे कम्युनिकेशन होता है, ऑप्शन बी फियर बेस्ड डिसिप्लिन होता है ये, ऑप्शन सी ये स्टूडेंट्स को एंगेज रखता है और ऑप्शन डी है एक्सेसिव होमवर्क. इफेक्टिव टीचिंग की बेस्ट करेक्टरिस्टिक्स है स्टूडेंट्स एंगेजमेंट. इफेक्टिव टीचिंग एक्टिवली इंगेजिंग लर्नर्स इन द लर्निंग प्रोसेस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, इन ब्लूम्स टेक्सोनोमी एनालिसिस बिलोंग्स टू विच डोमेन? ब्लूम्स टेक्सोनोमी में एनालिसिस कौन से डोमेन से बिलोंग करता है? ऑप्शन ए कोग्निटिव डोमेन, ऑप्शन बी अफेक्टिव डोमेन, ऑप्शन सी साइकोमोटर डोमेन और ऑप्शन डी है मोरल डोमेन. ऑप्शन ए इज राइट, कोग्निटिव डोमेन. एनालिसिस इज ए हायर ऑर्डर कोग्निटिव स्किल इन्वॉल्विंग एग्जामिनेशन एंड इंटरप्रिटेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, विच कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर्स occurs due to difficult language? ऑप्शन ए फिजिकल बैरियर, ऑप्शन बी सिमेंटिक बैरियर, ऑप्शन सी इमोशनल बैरियर, ऑप्शन डी है कल्चरल बैरियर. कौन सा कम्युनिकेशन है जो कि डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज में अक्कर करता है? विच कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर occurs due to difficult language? ऑप्शन ए फिजिकल बैरियर, बी सिमेंटिक बैरियर, सी इमोशनल बैरियर और डी है कल्चरल barrier. Option B is right. Semantic barrier. Semantic barriers arise when words or language create misunderstanding. Diagnostic evaluation is mainly used to diagnostic evaluation mainly used to option A grade students, option B identify learning difficulties, ऑप्शन सी प्रमोट स्टूडेंट्स और ऑप्शन डी है कंडक्ट फाइनल एग्जाम्स. ऑप्शन बी इज राइट. डायग्नोस्टिक इवैल्यूएशन इज मेनली यूज्ड टू आइडेंटिफाई learning difficulties. Diagnostic evaluation helps teachers identify weaknesses and learning gaps. Question number 9. Which teaching aid appeals to both sight and hearing? ऑप्शन ए ब्लैकबोर्ड, ऑप्शन बी चार्ट, सी रेडियो और ऑप्शन डी है वीडियो प्रेजेंटेशन. ऑप्शन डी इज राइट. वीडियो प्रेजेंटेशंस आर ऑडियो विजुअल एड्स दैट एनहांस अंडरस्टैंडिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है ए टीचर यूजिंग रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स इन क्लास इज इम्प्रूविंग. ऑप्शन ए मेमोराइजेशन, ऑप्शन बी कोरिलेशन एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग, ऑप्शन सी है पनिशमेंट और ऑप्शन डी है फॉर्मेलिटी. ऑप्शन बी इज राइट. कोरिलेशन एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स कनेक्ट थ्योरी विद प्रैक्टिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिफ्लेक्ट्स डेमोक्रेटिक क्लासरूम बिहेवियर? ऑप्शन ए टीचर डोमिनेंस, ऑप्शन बी है स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेशन इन डिसीजंस, ऑप्शन सी स्ट्रिक्ट पनिशमेंट और ऑप्शन डी है नो इंटरेक्शन. डेमोक्रेटिक क्लासरूम बिहेवियर को कहाँ रिफ्लेक्ट होगा? तो ये होगा ऑप्शन बी स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेशन इन डिसीजंस. डेमोक्रेटिक क्लासरूम्स इनकरेज पार्टिसिपेशन एंड म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट. Question number 12. The most important quality of a teacher is option A loud voice, option B subject mastery and empathy, option C है strictness और option D political influence. The most important quality of a teacher is subject mastery and empathy. Option B is right. Subject knowledge along with empathy creates effective teaching learning. Question number 13 है which method develops problem solving ability? Option A lecture method, option B storytelling method, option C problem solving method, option D dictation method. Option C is right. Problem solving method. Problem solving method encourages logical reasoning and application. Question number 14. Formative evaluation is conducted. Option A at the end of the course, option B during the learning process, option C before admission or option D after certification. Option B is right. Formative evaluation is conducted during the learning process. Formative evaluation provides continuous feedback during instruction. Question number 15. The role of a modern teacher is mainly option A knowledge dictator, option B facilitator of learning, option C controller only or option D silent observer. The role of a modern teacher is mainly facilitator of learning. Option B is right. Modern education emphasizes facilitation rather than one-way teaching. Question number 16. Micro teaching mainly helps in improving ऑप्शन ए एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्किल्स, ऑप्शन बी टीचिंग स्किल्स, ऑप्शन सी है फाइनेंशियल स्किल्स और ऑप्शन डी राइटिंग स्किल्स. Micro teaching mainly helps in improving teaching skills. Option B is right. Micro teaching develops specific teaching competencies through practices. Which is not a feature of effective communication? कौन सा इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन की फीचर्स नहीं है? इनमें से ऑप्शन ए है क्लैरिटी, ऑप्शन बी फीडबैक, ऑप्शन सी कंफ्यूजन और ऑप्शन डी है सिंपलिसिटी. ऑप्शन सी इज not a feature of effective communication. Confusion obstructs communication effectiveness. Question number 18. Reinforcement in teaching means option A. Ignoring responses, B. Encouraging desired behavior, C. Punishing all students, or D. Repeating attendance. Reinforcement in teaching means encouraging desired behavior. Option B is right. Reinforcement strengthens positive learning behavior. Question number 19. Which of the following promotes inclusive education? Option A. Equal learning opportunity. Option B. Discrimination. Option C. Isolation. Option D है segregation. Option A is right. Equal learning opportunities. Inclusive education ensures equal participation for all learners. Question number 20 है A teacher asking open-ended questions is encouraging. Option A creativity, option B memorization only, option C fear, option D है silence. Option A is right, creativity. Open-ended questions stimulate imagination and independent thinking. Question number 21 है Which level of teaching is memory oriented? Option A reflective level, option B है autonomous level, option C है memory level और option D है understanding level. Option C is right. Memory level teaching emphasizes recall and reproduction of facts. Question number 22. Team teaching involves option A. One teacher teaching all subjects. Option B. Multiple teachers teaching collaboratively. Option C. Students teaching themselves. Option D. Online teaching only. Option B is right. Multiple teachers teaching collaboratively. Team teaching combines expertise of different teachers. Question number 23. Which is the most suitable method for large classrooms? Option A seminar method, option B project method, option C lecture method or option D laboratory method. Option C is right, lecture method. Lecture method is economical and suitable for large groups. Question number 24. ICT in education mainly helps in reducing, option A है reducing learning opportunities, option B increasing interaction and access, option C eliminating teachers और option D है limiting resources. Option B is right. ICT in education mainly helps in increasing interaction and access. ICT improves accessibility, interaction, and flexible learning. Question number 25. The best teaching occurs when students are option A. Passive listeners, option B. Active participants, option C. Silent observers, option D. Forced learners. Option B is right. Active participants. The best teaching occurs when students are active participants. Active participation enhances retention and understanding. Question number 26. Which domain relates to emotions and values? Option A cognitive domain, B psychomotor, C affective और D है behavioral. Option C is right. Affective domain deals with attitudes, values, and emotions. Question number 27. The project method was advocated by Option A Kilpatrick, Option B Skinner, Option C Thorndike, Option D Plato. Option A is right, Kilpatrick. Kilpatrick developed the project method emphasizing learning by doing. Question number 28 है feedback in teaching learning process should be option A delayed always, option B punitive only, option C constructive and timely, option D है avoided. Option C is right, constructive and timely. Timely constructive feedback improves learning outcomes. Question number 29. Which of the following is a co-curricular activity? Option A debate competition, opशन बी है अटेंडेंस मार्किंग, ऑप्शन सी एग्जामिनेशन ड्यूटी और ऑप्शन डी फी कलेक्शन. ऑप्शन ए इज राइट, डिबेट competition. Debate activities enhances communication and personality development. Question number 30. The objective of remedial teaching is to ऑप्शन ए punish weak students, ऑप्शन बी है help learners overcome difficulties और ऑप्शन सी है increase syllabus, ऑप्शन डी है conduct promotions. ऑप्शन बी is right, help learners overcome difficulties. Remedial teaching provides additional support to struggling learners. Question number 31 है which teaching approach focuses on learner experience? Option A traditional approach, option B constructivist approach, option C authoritarian approach, option D है mechanical approach. Option B is right. Constructivist approach. Constructivism emphasizes learning through experience and interaction. Question number 32. The process of arranging learning experience is called option A evaluation, option B curriculum organization, option C motivation, option D reinforcement. Option B is right. Curriculum organization structures learning experiences systematically. Question number 33. Which is a sign of good classroom management? Option A fear among students, B meaningful engagement, C complete silence always, and option D है excessive punishment. Option B is right. Meaningful engagement. Effective classroom management ensures active and organized learning. Question number 34. The term pedagogy refers to option A educational finance, option B art and science of teaching, option C school building, option D examination system. Option B is right. Pedagogy refers to art and science of teaching. Pedagogy means methods and practices of teaching. Question number 35. Question number 35. Which teaching aid is three-dimensional? Option A chart, option B flashcard, option C globe, option D blackboard. Option C is right. A globe is a 3D teaching aid representing Earth. Question number 36. Objective type questions mainly test. Option A subjectivity, option B personal opinion, option C specific learning outcomes, option D emotional attachment. Option C is right. Specific learning outcomes. Objective questions measures precise knowledge and understanding. Question number 37. Which factor most affects learning? Option A motivation, option B है building color, option C uniform design, option D furniture shape. Option A is right, motivation. Motivation strongly influences interest and learning achievement. Question number 38. Which of the following is an example of intrinsic motivation? Option A है learning of curiosity. Option B learning for prizes. Option C learning for marks only. Or option D learning due to punishment. Option A is right, learning for curiosity. Intrinsic motivation comes from internal interest and satisfaction. Question number 39. The best way to maintain discipline is option A threatening students, option B physical punishment, option C building positive relationship, option D strict silence. The best way to maintain discipline is building positive relationship. Option C is right. Positive teacher-student relationships create healthy discipline. Question number 40. Which evaluation focuses on overall achievement at the end? Option A formative evaluation, option B diagnostic evaluation, option C summative evaluation, option D placement evaluation. Option C is right. Summative evaluation. Summative evaluation measures final learning achievements. Question number 41. Which of the following improves retention most effectively? Option A passive reading, option B active participation, option C punishment और option D है dictation only. Active participation improves retention most effectively. Option B is right. Active involvement improves memory and understanding. Question number 42. A good teacher should primarily act as option A dictator, option B facilitator and guide, option C examiner only, option D supervisor only. A good teacher should primarily act as facilitator and guide. Option B is right. Teachers guide learners towards independent learning. Question number 43. Which teaching method is most suitable for science practicals? Option A lecture method, option B demonstration method, option C dictation method, option D storytelling method. Option B is right, demonstration method. Demonstration method helps students observe procedures directly. Question number 44. Curriculum should be option A rigid, option B learner centered and flexible, option C teacher centered only, option D examination oriented only. Curriculum should be learner-centered and flexible. Option B is right. Modern curriculum adapts to learners' needs and social changes. Question number 45. Which is an essential component of communication? Option A, noise. Option B, sender. Option C, confusion. Option B, isolation. Sender is an essential component of communication. Option B is right. Communication requires a sender, message, medium, and a receiver. Question number 46. Teaching at a reflective level develops. Option A, rote memorization. Option B, critical and independent thinking. Option C, mechanical learning. Or option D, passive listening. Option B is right. Critical and independent thinking. Reflective level teaching encourages analysis and reasoning. Question number 47. Which classroom environment is most effective? Option A, fearful environment. Option B, competitive hostility. Option C, sportive and interactive environment. Option D, silent and isolated environment. Option C is right. Sportive and interactive environment. Sportive classroom improves participation and confidence. Question number 48. The use of quizzes during teaching mainly sports. Option A, continuous assessment. Option B, punishment. Option C, final certification only. Option D, attendance. Right answer is option A, continuous assessment. Quizzes help monitor ongoing learning progress. Question number 49. Which skill is most essential for an effective teacher? Option A, communication skills. Option B, political skills. Option C, marketing skill. Option D, acting skill. Option A is right, communication skill. Effective communication improves understanding and interaction. Question number 50. The ultimate aim of education is option A, only earning marks. Option B है personality development and social growth. Option C है completing textbooks. और option D है conducting examinations. Option B is right, personality development and social growth. Education aims at a holistic development of individuals and society.